Out of clearing out of Cree. Just coming in today. I wanted to come in and I want to call down Justin Judgment because I have a situation that has developed and it's surrounding my children's mother and possibly someone she's engaged with or has some dealings with, some sort of a love affair. But what is going on here is there's something going on with some sort of disconnect about some sort of business ties with my children's mother, whom I've never ever engaged in my business affairs. My children's mother only worked with me through my through other for other purposes, but never in business, never in my endeavors. When I took on my business, it occurred in 2020. In May of 2020, involving no one. So there should be no one trying to account for being a boss of me, trying to be an affiliate of me, trying to be an associate or in any capacity. Because again, like I stated, I've, whether it be family, friends, anyone, for that reason, no one has opened that door for me but me. And when it came to me dealing with business, what I do want to make a note of, you have something very unique going on. There's something going on to the capacity where this deals with Social Security. I received Social Security disability, and whatever's going on, my children's mother is working with some organization or individuals making false claims under a false insurance policy for me on the behalf of me, when in reality we have been disconnected from each other in a love affair or anything for more than 5+ years. Even in the latter part of September of last year, we were just co-parenting. I was still in the home. However, I was engaged by a false restraining order to appear in court, which I was dealing with a lockout. She and the police department in my community stated that it would be my best effort to try to continue to move forward, which I did. However, I later came to find out there was a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes where my identity was stolen. Things were going on, false claims were coming up about me having done something to one of my children. Just a bunch of false statements were coming out of the woodwork, which all these claims went unfounded. However, there's another unique situation going on because these same individuals are making false claims to Social Security, claiming that there is a child support order on me for children. Again, I have no children outside of the children I bear with my children's mother, who is the ex. We share 4 children. Outside of that, I have no children outside of adult children, 6 in total. My children up in age, they range from anywhere in their mid to early 40s. Well, I would say, mid to early 40s and mid to early 30s, as well as I have a younger, my youngest is 12, one that we're soon to be in court addressing a paternity issue on. But the unique part about this is that Social Security is taking $600 something out of my check, claiming that I owe child support or there is some sort of victim situation that's going on that was due to be paid due to someone being hurt. These individuals are falsifying documents in court by fraudulent means through a judge, Judge is his initial LH. This judge is involved in a soon-to-be RICO case that is coming, whether they know it or not. But these individuals are falsifying information, documents, possibly engaging false claims, probably coming out of possibly the UK. This is really a far-fetched situation. Far-fetched on the behalf of individuals falsifying marriage certificates, insurance claims. It's a whole bunch of nonsense that has been taking place. I just wanted to make this clear because, you know, whatever's going on, I wanted to get it out in the open so everyone was aware. I didn't want to really even come on here to even breathe anything because I'm not anyone here complaining about whatever they're doing. I just wanted to make this clear that whatever is going on, I wanted to bring it to surface so anything that is being left out, that's not being seen. And I've been at child support, I've been at Social Security office trying to get a clear understanding on where all this is coming from. And the only thing I can recollect is this individual's, this judge who's working with my ex, who's doing all these falsified documents, are making bogus claims towards my Social Security disability to cause stagnation in my life. But again, initials LH. You know, whatever is going on, this stuff needs to be focused on. I assume that government is quote unquote involved, whatever. I don't sense it. I'm not feeling it. But like I said, I'm trying to get to the bottom of it. When I even come to try to address anything concerning this type of stuff going on in my life with authorities, they look at me like I'm crazy, like they don't know nothing about any cases, any charges, pending charges. And that just goes to show you the extent of who's involved. You got a lot of individuals working in government that's involved with this, these individuals. So in the meanwhile, I just want to make it clear that I am going to get the answers that I need as to where all this unnecessary energy is pulling from. Now, you know, with the ideal of what's being taken out of my Social Security disability, I'm going to continuously challenge that. And like I said, when I do get the answers, based on the negligence of everyone acting as though they don't know, you know, I'm going to get an attorney involved with this, and we're going to find out exactly where all this is coming from. So I just want that to be clear. I want individuals to know who is family, friends, exes, working with people who just popped up in my community, assuming they're doing something and thinking they got one up on me. But I guarantee you, they're gonna receive just judgment, what they got coming for all the heinous acts that they taken towards me. And you know what? I want to be clear. This, to me, is a hate crime, and I wanted to speak to that because the extent that this has gone and has taken, the twists and turns that this has taken, the level of hate and the actions of hate that has come out towards me. I wish we were in a place to where the death penalty would be on the table for these type of circumstances. But you know, I whatever it comes to, I do want justice at the end of the day, and my heart is clear. And I had the heart to forgive these actions, but like I said, at the end of the day, I just expect justice, and I'm working still on a day-to-day basis, praying diligently to release any hate or resentment, because I'm not one who's gonna return hate for hate. But I wanted to speak to the actions that these individuals have taken and let individuals know that everything you're doing has not went unnoticed. I want you to be aware that I am clearly aware of every action that has been taken from the start of this adventure, be it my brothers, my siblings, cousins, relatives, versus relatives in my ex's family, versus the individuals who they've connected to do this. These cult covens, community organizations. I know everything. So it's just going to play out, and we're going to see wherever we're going to let the, what's the name, fall, where, we're going to let it all fall the way it's going to fall when the smoke clear. Just in judgment.